In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Big Cartel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting your Printful account to Big Cartel is a fantastic way to streamline your e-commerce operations, allowing you to focus more on your creativity and sales rather than logistics. And believe me, the process is pretty straightforward. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is open Printful and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. It's completely free. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Printful dashboard. Here, you'll see several options on the menu. Next, look for the Stores tab on the left side of your screen. This is where all your connected stores will be listed. If this is your first time connecting a store, it might be empty at the moment. No worries, we're here to fill it up. Now, you'll see an option that says Add Store, or sometimes it displays as Choose Platform. Go ahead and click that. After you click Add Store, a list of different platforms will appear. Since we're connecting to Big Cartel, find and select it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look for the Connect button and click on it. Printful will prompt you to sign in to your Big Cartel account at this point. Now, go ahead and enter your Big Cartel login credentials. This might be your email and password that you use to access your Big Cartel store. After you enter those details and sign in, you'll be asked to review the permissions that Printful will need access to on your Big Cartel account. It's always good practice to take a moment to read through these permissions. They typically include access to manage products, fulfillment orders, and other essential functionalities that will allow the two platforms to work together smoothly. Once you've reviewed the permissions and are satisfied with what you see, it's time to approve the connection. Look for the Approval button. It may say something like Allow or Approve. Click on that and watch as Printful connects to your Big Cartel store. After the connection is approved, you'll want to return to Printful. Navigate back to the Boss Stores section. This is where we started, and now, drum roll please, your Big Cartel store should appear on the list. Yes, that's right. You've successfully linked your Printful account to your Big Cartel store. How great is that? This integration means you can now manage your products, fulfill orders, and handle shipping, all from the convenience of Printful, while still using Big Cartel as your storefront. This saves you a lot of time and helps avoid the hassle of manual inventory updates or processing each order separately. So to recap, in just a few simple steps, you've signed into Printful, added your store, connected it with Big Cartel, and approved the necessary permissions. That's a remarkable accomplishment for your online business. Don't forget to explore the features that the integration provides. Dive into the product creation tools that Printful offers, allowing you to customize numerous products like apparel, home goods, and accessories to match your brand's aesthetic. And remember, now that the two platforms are connected, they will sync data, which means anytime you update your inventory in Printful, it'll automatically reflect in your Big Cartel store. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and easy to navigate. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And once again, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Happy selling, and see you next time.